Mindanao, a land rich in history, culture, and diversity.
For decades, this island struggled for peace, justice, and self-determination.
But today, a new chapter unfolds. Welcome to the transition from the autonomous region in Muslim Mindanao or ARM
To the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao or BARM.
Hi everyone, I am Juliana Estatopeno.
And I'm Rowena L. Bulacla.
And now we're diving into the most significant transition in Cotabato history.
Shift from ARM to BARM.
What does this change mean for the people of the Mindanao and how is it reshaping the future of the region? Let's find out. So our first eyewitness is Sir
Jamel.
Sir Jamel. So Sir, ano po yung na-experience nyo during the transition of ARM to BARM po?
So experience, sir, is talagang malaki. Lalo pa yung pagbabago ng ARM becoming BARM. Malaki po ang pagbabago.
So according po kay Sir is yung changes po ng ARM to BARM is malaki daw po yung development. Then in what way po siya, bakit po siya naging malaki development?
Sabihin na natin sa mga projects, mga tulong ng BARM government sa mga tao sa loob ng BARM. Talagang malaki. Social services, tulong, tabang ng BARM.
Then sir, yung during the election po ng BOL is nag-agree po talaga kayo na yes to BOL?
Yes.
At ano po yung nagpa-conduct sa'yo na mag-yes po? Ano po yung nakikita niyong reason ba't po kayo nag-yes during the election?
Kasi sa tingin ko, yung mga advokasya at ano nang matataas ng BARM is talagang malaki ang may tulong sa
development region. So according po kay Sir is yung development do po ng BARM is very crucial po. Then mas na-develop po yung BARM. Then mas marami pong projects ang mas na-enhance. So thank you po sir for this interview.
So our second participant is
my name is Darmina Sanana. I am presently job training at University of Management University of Management for male dormitory.
So for you, Mom, what are the differences between ARM to BARM?
I think BARM is Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Mindanao, whereas the ARM is Autonomous Region in Mindanao. The difference is between that is I think more improvement now, especially in social services. As we see now, marami pa tayong natulungan sa social services, more improvement yung BARM. Tapos in terms of health, marami din yung natulungan yung Bangsamoro, lalo na sa mga nangangailangan, tulad ng mga sakit, yung mga kapansanan, mga sa senior citizen, at the same time sa mga solo parent. So marami talagang na-contribute yung BARM kasi kung wala pong BARM, hindi po, parang ano po, yung kumbaga ngayon marami talagang naitutulong lalo sa mga ayuda.
So, Mom, during the one BARM
Yes, because I want extension of the Bangsamoro, kumbaga yung BUL, di ba? Kasi yun na nga, parang continuous pa rin yung progress din, yung development, marami pa tayong, marami pang darating na mga ayuda, matutulong sa mga Bangsamoro people. So, yun po, yung, kumbaga, kailangan natin extend yung ban. So, lalo na sa mga mahihirap, marami natutulungan ng mga those who are especially the poor people. Is here in Bangsamoro.
So, dahil po doon, yan po talaga yung nagulong sa inyo or yung para like specific po talaga na nagulong sa iyo except doon sa madami.
Yes, marami kasi. Siyempre, nakita naman natin, tulad namin, naging kami ng ayuda kasi may sakit yung uncle ko. So, tinulungan talaga kami, especially the hospital billing. So, malaking tulong yun. Hindi na kailangan pa kami magano kasi natulungan kami. So, kahit na ano na lang, letter na lang binigay namin. So, binigyan kami ng ganun. Yung kalaki-laking tulong talaga yung malaking pasalamat kasi nakarecover siya as soon as possible.
So, during the arm pa pa, na parang
Parang kulang baga meron naman din, pero dahil sa bar, mas malaki talaga yung mga 100% malaki talaga na yung tulong, especially sa mga health, especially the health, sa pangangailangan natin sa kalusugan, malaki talaga na yung tulong ng bar sa atin. Sa pangangailangan natin tulad ng mga, yun na nga, health, tapos sa mga gamot, yun, di ba? Sa mga infrastructure, sa mga, lalo sa mga, sa bahay, mga gano'n, di ba? Nakita natin mga pamahalan, nagbigay sila ng mga ano for the poor people na wala silang bahay, mga settlement, gano'n, housing. So yun, marami talaga na itulong.
so, thank you for mga
Cooperation.
Ma'am, paano po na-secured ng BARM ang security po ng ating Bangsamoro people din?
Na-secure ng BARM yung security natin, safety and protection natin in way na kasi moral governance tayo ngayon, hindi ng moral governance is more kumbaga sa long process, kumbaga marami siyang very malawak yung definition niya yan, lalo na sa tinatawag na ethical. Kaya pag sinabi natin code of ethics, yun yung hindi na tayo makakagawa ng masama ba. Kumbaga hindi naman actually na perfecto yung tao, pero nakukontrol through spirituality. Yung behavioral ng tao is nakukontrol dahil sa tinatawag ng moral governance.
So ma'am, maganda po talaga naging impact ng BARM sa Bangsamoro?
Sa community. Oo naman kasi through BARM is yung baga malaki talaga yung naitulong niya kasi yung mga mahihirap na sustain ng BARM yung mga needs and problem ng mga tao, especially yung mga mahihirap, lalo na katulad namin. Pobre lang kami, so kailangan natin kung may sakit, tapos ang BARM tumutulong talaga sa mga mahihirap. Di ba?
Hindi po
The road to full autonomy is never easy, but the Bangsamoro people are ready for this journey, and the promise of BARM is that together they can create a new brighter future. One of the key goals of BARM is to improve basic service, especially in education, healthcare, and infrastructure. As you can see, the new system is already being changed to the lives of young Filipino here. There is a sense of hope and excitement in the air. The road to full autonomy is never easy, but the Bangsamoro people are ready for this journey, and the promise of BARM is that together they can create a new brighter future.
It's a journey of struggle, a resilience, and hope.
It is a process that's still unfolding.
but one that brings more possibilities for peace, progress, and inclusivity in Bangsamoro. Thank you for joining us today into exciting look into the future of Bangsamoro region.
The transition from ARM to BARM is just the beginning of a new chapter in the story of the Bangsamoro people. I am Juliana Estatupeno.
And I'm Rowena El Bulacda.
And thank you for joining us today.